If you have prolapse, you know you need to strengthen your pelvic floor to help you lift and support your pelvic organs. I'm going to show you 3 exercises on how to do just that. My favorite exercise for prolapse is a bridge because as you lift your hips up, your pelvic organs will fall up towards your head where they belong, and you can close and lift your pelvic muscles behind it. Begin by laying on the floor with your feet flat, hip width apart, with your hands at your sides. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, engage your pelvic floor and hold it as you lift your hips up. Hold your pelvic floor muscles even as you descend back to your starting position. Completely let go and repeat for 10 repetitions. The next exercise is an adduction squeeze. Because I couldn't find my Pilates ball, I'm using my kids' dodgeball today. Begin again laying on your back with your feet flat with the ball between your knees. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, engage your pelvic floor, squeeze the ball, and hold it for 5 counts. Completely let go and repeat 10 times. My third favorite exercise requires a resistance band. You can use any band you have, the loops or the kind that you tie around. And if you don't have a resistance band, just loop a belt around your knees. Lay on the floor with your knees bent and the resistance band around your knees. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, engage your pelvic floor muscles and hold it as you push your knees apart and hold it for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. And there you have it, my 3 favorite exercises for prolapse. Please give them a try.